do want to be an expert in time management. Of course, everybody wants to be an expert in the time management so that he can get more done. He can do more within the given time. But the fact is that time is not manageable. What can be managed is your priorities. Time is taking on its own, but you have certain controls in your hand. Which are those? The very first thing is managing your priorities. If you have a list of the activities which you are supposed to do, that is to-do list, prioritize. Which are the most important activities? Which are most urgent and important activities? Those have to be done first, and then subsequently other things can be done. And number two, you have to select 20% of the total activities which you are supposed to do, which are likely to give you 80% of the result. That is Pareto principle. Select 20% of the total activities which are likely to give you 80% result. Focus on those 20%, and out of that also, which is to be done first. The most important and urgent activity has to be carried out first. And if I tell you something more, the toughest task should be handled in the beginning. The tough tasks are likely to be procrastinated in future for no reason. You know the consequences of procrastinating, but this is likely to happen. So, you have to have a to-do list, and in that you have to keep the most urgent important task in the beginning. In that also you have to select 20% of the activities which are likely to give you 80% result, and the toughest should come in the beginning. This is the first thing to be done for more productivity, more results in your life. And number two, your emotions do affect your productivity. Emotions are negative and positive. Let me tell you something about the negative emotions. Anger, frustration, stress, anxiety, depression. All these are negative emotions. There are lots and lots of emotions. And another fact is that most of the time human beings remain in negative emotions. Only through conscious effort you can learn to be in positive emotions, or you can learn to switch from negative emotions to positive emotions. I conduct a separate course for that. Manage your emotions. So when you are in the negative emotions, emotions are controlling you. You are not controlling the emotions. And the result of negative emotion is your energy gets completely drained. Feel lethargic. Don't feel like working anything. Creativity goes for a toss. So there is no creativity, there is no energy left. What is the result in life? All results are going to be frustrating. So if you know how to manage your emotions, how to control your emotions, certainly you can have better results in your life. So in this video, I am sharing only two things. Number one, manage your priorities, and number two, control your emotions. And you can control your future to a large extent. See you in the next video. Thank you very much.